Getaseni yen Soko TV niko chiaragire Chinsa isano na ibere chia bor mugaso chinga kina kwanigene irie Amayia Chinsa isano na ibere kanso ke eretariane Diana Ndemo. Tocha kabene korwase county ya Kise ni gabantu batano na batatu abo bari netegali yimugeti ci avocado nemesie nigo banyora mu basukana obwepara ase Chinsemo cyanyamagwa imeyanya bisabo magigayo mutereba bwigari yo Osiria oboroso chinga kialenge wonchoka ekona yensemo ya nyamagwa SDA. Itambukiro kia wango nigo kiabage kwimokwa na serikali ya kaunti ya Kise asibatu machigali chobokonye asobwango wikenya gitalia nene ya Kiumbu ase chianyara kwa mnyokigwa kuika asinya gitalia nene ya Kisi Referral Hospital asibagendete konyora ububwenya asinchira yabene.
Jando beide ga no jiga tibo kwa mugu tukubuka kya wana muneye yara ari para ga ya umusira bantu oroche munta bwate musiga ya chite kuye musi ai konyera bana baje no irenchira ga no bantu basambulire nero baguri wana twali kusabanga ki serikali nero legusi tibeke no ne chipambuga ege chigali chiguche chira ngora nalio muchando yura siri chara tuomire sana kagetu ari kusabana ki serikali yerigereri eko wiro mutiari egali ya rukururo ari kuyumba twaranga ya bere bo stega chinge twanya agurenzi abari ngi urumba umia utandu mediga baumia bono montera bakoranga nyaro koranga kalinge bujayiga lakini koranga ne bintu byase mane bintu byaliete bono mnakobuli batabanga eriteresa asio mara ya kwanza iyi kufanyika bono abantu ombaumite niwiriza kuzi achangange saa 11 kwa saa 11
jengoro corona nyakweba ibondo mu waziri bamangana yo bachenu ase account ya Kis nanyore report nga amaba abantu baumire gaiga ndo bisi na mnyoka ne ambulance waja wakonya abaminto bari barenge ni boro ese amangana ya bagaiga data ko reporting to abashkurikeire bari baumia bobe batatu babere baumia so mutwe ayo moko goroko moko betingi kwabuneka abandi banyara magira gidogo once to abashkurikeire bakire KTRH bari baumia bono bachikwe ku specialized treatment na igure moko reragange pare ye yarete accident nyinge mutagitebe kuchipambo bumps nebitongo nebinge epareye mumanyete nga egere pareye national government eri pareye county na kirekere ramiga ere pareye national government eri pareye county lakini national government ne county government ne igenteke mo bone gento korangiringa mnango ka town ko kambanda na my colleagues by department ya roads jene department ya na mangane paye ya mangane bochen bashirikiana n'abantu ba national government baje gaiga bakore survey eriyo banya kubeka chipambo ase pare iga tonyara kokonya ku reduce speed kigari chikomya ka se pare iga nebitongo bya bere se pare iga na bikora keke tichwe e pare bengia kigari cha
Naboigo mobiri bo sacho yomo asiri da Erieta Fred keroseni gotoka olene chingoma chimbe mambialero asegeti geskuru yoborosi ya kineni county ya Kise butumeki obutukibene nigo bwachakiwe erikumanya ekukirete obogima bwaye gusirwa asenchira ekagire koba eyo gusaganwa
Samarieta ne nguru kumeli nyanjama mwakona aguru kwa mama gasira bwangu tarakura matuko Arengeri tukole goro saa 10 mwana uyo nagachanga akarindagira gasoka goche para ruguru gaiga unasoka goche para marago banga chikumuganya kambura unambura ona mabina imuka naboka nagende sakurara anyore nyomba buna yabungire nabebungire igo nachikoigora nanyora taiyo nyombe ndagira nabe getona nyora noere Dirintegererete siko igana nyoro umwana ogocha bwe skuru umwana okorogwo kebiro. Okondangeringo ogerosiga ire getiro oraria korwa amanyinga chimioro. Natira naturo yo mwabora iro korogwo ngwandi. Kero namutura nkoira nansi ekenyomba nanyoro umwana ondo oyo bwo umwana ondo korogwo motugutu. Ogocha gwante ngokerosi nonyore getiro orari gakwete.
Umwana one gakia bwata amanyinga bamangentete nandanye nyirorose agaiga ensemo nanda korwa amanyinga yani umwana onaitire bobe gaki serikali tokonya gaki kyairo umwana oitabwati kende gaki nera twetagerati
mbi bwaki buyaiga na igujiuyi abantu twamenyokani twacha na twacha tonyora mane nabo nabangentire ngoli nabete bigotie yanga nabatabureire lakini kulingana na tokoro takuru onasogete n'abantu baingi batano una batano tokosaba serikali tokonye toboro totire ebabwate bakorera uchunguzi batebe na kibakoranite bakawe yatokoraire rigwali kori segetia semu
Thomas Ngisa ntwe twakumiria so mambi ya lero korra mangana yaiga ntuntu ana korra mangana ya gesega yakineni na twakine yapaka twikirega serikali yaimukiri jukumu because nilingana libe liakolekira ase kenyoru geitu litukoria lero igongo saba minto nenyare kananga boniga mumuroche igotole no bororo ekenyore kegima igoto sinyire ngaki konyare kana omwana oyo konyara omwana omororo otaikora amamuntu ngaki agukwa iga ase kenyoru na no mwana omuya totogeti
Naboigo chinga kia borokia be University barasomogiro aborokia be University ya Nairobi besokire na gukora okurobekana ase Chinsa mochi ya Nairobi ase baburia serikali wikirania amagani yabo eribanyare bakwirana emiromo naboigo amasomo kogenderero.
Comrades power! Power! Arias power! Power! CBA power! Power! Thank you. My dear colleagues, we gather here for a very noble cause. We gather here because we want to petition the government. We want to petition the government under the rule of law of this country and the constitution. The government and our employers have defied the court judgment. The 2017-2021 CBA that was registered in court is a court judgment. 2021-2025 CBA is a court judgment. And to jumpstart the 2025 and 2029 CBA negotiations is also our right.
Dons and university workers have said no to slavery.
Yes.
We are not going to be slaves anymore.
Anymore.
Yesterday night, I was told C.S. Ogamba was telling us to go back to work.
No.
I want to tell him, we shall not go back to work come what may.
Yes.
You must pay us 7.9 billion.
Yes.
You have the judgment with you.
Yes.
You have the advisory opinion from the Attorney General.
Yes.
That was dated to your office on 10th April 2025. Kindly honor that one first. The matter of the court order, you are aware we are back in court. And court is going to give us further direction on 6th. Whether that matter, whether that order, the order you claim to have, was procured through concealment of material facts or
na yoka gendrete nigo ekiombe gya kupeti gya sokirie na kusigereria muna tibaria gochia gwanchirana na ingana yokonganya aborokia gochia omorobirio sha erioko ba intenenera asogwakana chibiri chia borokia babo ekerabachire chinyagitari mense.
The teachers of this nation have been facing challenges from the minute which was brought by the Teacher Service Commission to cover the teachers for 10 years. And we have complained about those challenges that includes pre-authorization delays for approval to inpatient admission, and delays to approval for surgeries have always taken too long. We have been facing a lot of challenges in terms of generic drugs, low capitation in terms of crucial health issue factors like dental, optical, and the like. And also we had the group life insurance was removed for the last, only the last respect is available. We went to the State House and we complained that we wanted this issue addressed, particularly the review of the medical facilities, to include the capitation, to allow us to visit hospitals, because the hospitals that we've been visiting are of low quality. We have complained of some hospitals which were struck off, others like Nightingale are still there, and we have complained about them. We are still repeating that teachers require a comprehensive cover. But for now, we saw the TSC CEO calling our leaders in KUNT and KUPET to discuss about being converted to SHA. We do not want to be blindly taken to SHA. SHA is still facing myriad of challenges. We are aware that we have problems with our medical cover minute, but what can be done to the teachers is to improve it.
Naboigo abaiboli nechi amatechi abana babete bagusiria magimabo wetira omubasokano bo muri skuru ya Hilda inside ndarasha besokirie na kuri murunganirie gikambero asokonyorwa gukora ubunengolia iriyo kumanya egento kirete omubasokano yo korekana skuru yo asaborokiwa emerongebere no yomo basiritia magimabo bono ni besokirie na kubolia serikali kwene kiabona kubatukira machibu abwango wetira omubasokano yo okorekanite.
What we are mainly seeking from the court is the defense of the Constitution and the upholding of the rights of the deceased children that were that their lives were cut short during the Endarasha Hillside Academy fire on the 5th of September 2024. So mainly what we are seeking to achieve through the constitutional petition is to hold those that are duty-bound accountable to their responsibilities and duties, more so the school, Hillside and Endarasha Academy, more so the owners of the school, and more importantly, the Ministry of Education.
We are convinced that there was negligence and that justice needs to be served. We are convinced that someone should be held accountable because someone slept on their job. Because no parent in this country or elsewhere should send their children to school only to receive them in charred form. No one has come to them with answers. We've heard about investigations being done. Even the DNA tests that were conducted, the results were not even brought to them. So these are key stakeholders in this matter, but they have been relegated in a matter that is all too...
Naboigo omuraibense America Donald Trump hotebira abantu nigo babeire bagutumika obulimo kogenderia enkwana yogoncholiria kwelire niga yakwana ya asomusangero ounga use United Nations General Assembly ime yomochi o New York.
1982, the executive director of the United Nations Environmental Program predicted that by the year 2000, climate change would cause a global catastrophe. He said that it will be irreversible as any nuclear holocaust would be. This is what they said at the United Nations. What happened? Here we are. Another UN official stated in 1989 that within a decade, entire nations could be wiped off the map by global warming. Not happening. You know, it used to be global cooling. If you look back years ago in the 1920s and the 1930s, they said, global cooling will kill the world. We have to do something. Then they said global warming will kill the world. But then it started getting cooler. So now they could just call it climate change because that way they can't miss. It's climate change. Because if it goes higher or lower, whatever the hell happens, there's climate change. It's the greatest con job ever perpetrated on the world, in my opinion. Climate change, no matter what happens, you're involved in that. No more global warming, no more global cooling. All of these predictions made by the United Nations and many others, often for bad reasons, were wrong. They were made by stupid people that have cost their countries fortunes and given those same countries no chance for success.
Na gwikiragwo mwanchito mariria wita Sengen Soko TV na kubutura Amayia Chinsa isana na ibere kuri neno yenyore Chinsa Ikomi no yominto Daniel Omwaga na bego Chinsa ense ya moya margoba na Chinsa isatu cha margoba no yenyore ayanda mange asenchire wikirano na yominto Clinton Ondigi gwikiragwo no kubutura mangana Amayia kuri ndo genda gucengera mero betu megete Sengen Soko TV na oborosobo mukse chigakisego kumanyanga na turaso mtandao Facebook, YouTube, TikTok na boigo asensemeria X na bogo to follow na bogo subscribe etunyare tugusukamo tugendera gusangana itwe iri terenda yana ndemo tumere nande ankyo asemesa yamangana Amayia.